Hey friends, how are you? I hope you're having a great day today. Today we will be creating a night owl, so let's get started. The first thing that we're going to do is we are going to create two swirls that come together in the middle. So we have a swirl here, and then we have a swirl here. That's going to be the top part of our owl's head. We're going to come down with a U shape. And then inside this U shape, we are going to make a backwards letter C and a forwards letter C. Inside here, we're going to make some nice big dots for our eyes. And then we're going to put a triangle down here for our owl's bill. For our owl's body, we are going to come down with two curved lines. And then at this point, we are going to make a branch for our owl to be sitting on. So we come out from the side, we touch the lines on his body, and then we go to the other side of the piece of paper. And then we do the same thing. We follow along, and then we go like this. Now notice here, I got a little bit wider, and the reason why I did that is because I want to create two different branches that go off from this main branch. Now let's put some feet on our owl. I like to just make curved lines for his feet, his toes. And then if you'd like to put some leaves on your branch, any type of leaf that you like would be a good idea, because trees usually do have leaves. And because this is a night owl, I am going to put a moon up in the sky. Now, in looking at my owl, I feel like he needs something else. Oh, I know what I forgot. I forgot some wings. So let's go back and make some wings. And then let's put a little bit of detail in his body here. Let me show you how I like to add detail to my owl's body. I make a series of U's that are hooked together. And then I go down and I'm going to make some more U's. And this series of U's, I'm going to touch the bottom of the first U right in the middle. Do you see how I'm doing that? At first, you'll need to go slowly and carefully so you get this right, because it can be kind of tricky the first time that you do it. And then after you do it for a while, you'll get the hang of it and it'll go a lot faster. I think I can fit one more set of feathers there. There we go. That adds a little bit more detail to my body of my owl. Around the moon, I think I'd like to make a few stars. There are different ways that you can make stars, but I sometimes like to make stars like this. Basically what you do is you make a line, and then you make another line, and then you make another line. That's one way to make a star. Maybe just a few more, maybe one up here, maybe one over here. Alrighty, I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and I'll see you in the next video.